What's made the Wakesetter 22 VLX a favorite among Malibu owners? For one, you can build the 22 VLX your way. Choose the Wake Plus hull for the absolute best wakes and waves, or select the Diamond hull for multi-sport wakes. Either way, you get a beautiful traditional bow design with seating for 14. For 2017, we gave the 22 VLX an all-new audio system by Wet Sounds. Your passengers will enjoy more powerful music, multi-zone volume control, and a new transom remote. We made the cabin even more luxurious with improved LED lighting and new soft grip flooring, transom pads, and swim platform by SeaDeck. Optionally equipped with Malibu's integrated surf platform, including the Power Wedge 2 and Surfgate, the 22 VLX turns a body of water into your personal water sports playground. Customize wakes and waves from the intuitive command center, or with the Surfband wrist remote, the rider can control the wave right from the surfboard. With the Malibu 22 VLX, the truth is on the water. Schedule an on-water experience with an authorized Malibu dealer and discover a towboat with amazing versatility.